Hello guys, welcome again. This is Rajan. I hope you are doing great. So in this video, what I'm going to do is explain you one of my option buying trade which I took last year. The reason why I'm uploading now right now is because back then when I recorded it, on my phone, I was not very well and I couldn't upload videos. I was very inactive on social media, but I was still trading and stuff. So the reason why I consider this as a very one of the worst trade in last year is because the profit that is missed is bigger than all the losses that combined. Okay, I missed more than 90 lakhs of profit in this one particular trade, because normally I don't take such huge trades on every trade, and there are very few setups where I find the confidence and the conviction is high, and that is why I deploy a large capital. So yeah, this trade would have been a game changer for me, because my the yearly profit and loss statement would have been more than 3 crores if this was working well. But yeah, let me just explain what really happened, the entries and exits, and why I had to cut the it's not a loss, it's a trailing stop loss, but still why I had to cut it very soon. Everything will be explained in this video, but please make sure to like this video and also comment if you have any doubts, and click that bell icon, because the next video is going to be my potential stock video, which you wouldn't want to miss. Thank you so much. Hello guys, I hope you are doing great. So this is the Bank Nifty chart, and before I explain you the technicals, I just want to show you this screenshot. See, I tried accessing the trade books, but the reason why I couldn't show you that is because I have taken many trades in the same strike price. So the average price is different, and that is why I could not show you. And even the ROI is totally different, because I've traded the same strike price multiple times in that month. So this is why I'm sticking to this these two screenshots. Okay, so if you notice, this video was taken, which is now it is in a photo mode, was taken around 7:55 a.m. in Dubai time. So basically 10 minutes after the market opened. I was in a profit of 1 crore 10 lakhs, and then this is another screenshot. Just a couple of hours after that I closed it. This is the booked the profit, and 18 lakhs is what I booked as a profit for that day. So basically I missed more than 90 lakhs profit, and let me show you where this all happened. Okay, okay, this one. So if you look at this, Bank Nifty has been following this beautiful pattern. So basically it went up, and then it was in a very neat consolidation, and then there was a breakout. So this is okay, this trade I played with a very less capital. Okay, this is not the trade I'm talking about. I deployed like some 9 lakhs or 10 lakhs, and I made some decent money in this. And then again a 10 days of consolidation happened. So this is where I'm going to explain the trade. This is where it happened. So after the breakout I entered here with 50 lakhs capital, because I already made some good money, and also there was a neat consolidation for more than a week, and then there was a breakout. So I was in an assumption that okay, similar move can happen here as well. So I had the conviction, and I bought it with 50 lakhs capital. And the first day I was in a profit of around 40-50 lakhs, I guess. And the next day it gapped up. So it gapped up, and also it went up a little bit, and that is when I took the screenshot. Took this video exactly at the peak. If I had only booked it here with 161% profit, it would have been amazing, but yeah, I couldn't do that. And what happened, let me just show you. So basically this one, right? Yeah, this one. So basically what happened, it fell, and I couldn't wait, because who knows, because the expiry that I chose was the current month. It was not the next month expiry. So the month end expiry was around 23rd July or something. Okay, I'm not really very sure, but the monthly expiry was very nearby. And if I just hold it, right, let's say if I hold it, and what if Bank Nifty starts to consolidate more, I will lose my money. Not only will I not book a profit, but also it will end up in a loss. You never know, but it could be because the decay will be very high whenever you're very close to the monthly expiry and Bank Nifty starts to consolidate. You're not going to make money because of the decay. It's going to fall very harder. The closer you get to the monthly expiry, the faster the decay is. So you have to be very careful with the trade. So I thought, okay, let me just close with 18 lakhs profit anyway. 50 lakhs capital, 18 lakhs is still fine. But what would have been more amazing is 50 lakhs capital and 1.1 crore profit. That is 160% in a day. It would have been great, but my thinking was that, see, the previous breakout, there was 3-day bull run. I mean, not bull run, 3-day up move. I was expecting the same. There will be a 3-day, good move, which is what happened. But I was just not prepared for this, small. This may look like a very small two candles, guys, but the swings in option buying, it's crazy. Like after I closed it, it went up to 10 lakhs profit, and then it started moving again. Like if I was just holding to it, I would have made more than 2.2 crores or something like that just from this trade. Not 2.2 crores, sorry, 1.6 crore or something like that with the 50 lakh capital. So this turned out to be my worst trade. Like I felt really bad because I was expecting the same move, just that this move kind of made me question myself, my conviction and everything. I wouldn't call this entirely my mistake. I mean, it's no one's mistake. I mean, it's not, market is market. You cannot blame anyone for this. You have to be okay with whatever market is giving. I'm still glad that I at least made 18 lakhs. But what would have been amazing is if I was just a little bit patient. The reason why I was not patient is because I told you earlier, right? The monthly expiry was very close by. There is no guarantee that it will go up. What if it just, see, the thing is, it has gone up and come down. What if it has just come down from here? No one knows in the market, right? So that is why. Maybe if I was, buying the next month expiry, I would have held to this trade and I would have made good money. But yeah, this is it. This is one of the major miss from my side in option buying last year. And because good setups like this, it doesn't happen that frequently. And look at this, after that Bank Nifty, if you ask me, it did not give anything good. I mean, I don't see any good setups after that. So even if you look at the price action, you can see that it's completely unpredictable. And yeah, this is the only trade that I would have traded, but I still didn't trade this. So yeah, guys, like that's it. Like this is the biggest mistake, and I hope you learn something from this. And what else? How did I feel? Yeah, I felt bad, not gonna lie. Every trader has their own fair share of wins and losses. Although this is not technically a loss, but I missed 90 lakhs profit, guys. So it's, and also I anticipated that everything happened like I anticipated, and I couldn't make money out of it. That is the problem, right? So everyone has their regret, and it's completely fine. Yeah, as I said, if you guys have not seen my previous 1 year verified PNL video, make sure to check that. I have posted this in my previous YouTube video, the verified PNL of option buying. It was totally 2 crores profit. So add this 2.2 crore. So probably I would have been around 3 crore. And with the new, okay, fine. Anyway, I don't want to talk about it. So yeah, and if you want to learn more about option buying, and if you want to be a part of our course, JFT option buying course, you're free to join. I have taught many hidden truths and hidden gems like this. I've explained how to consistently make money in option buying. There is no complicated stuff. I just teach you few simple things, and if you just stick to the rules that I given you, you would be able to make money. And yeah, just visit my website justfortraders.in, and you will find all the details, and I will also put the website details and course details on my description. So thank you so much for watching this video with patience. See you soon again.